In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in Adobe InDesign. By the end, you'll know exactly how to adjust the document's background appearance using the built-in paper swatch, see your changes live, and confirm them with confidence. Start by opening Adobe InDesign and your document. To get to the tools we need, head up to the window menu at the top of the screen. Hover over Color, then open Swatches. If the Swatches panel is already visible, that's great. This just ensures you're looking at the right place to make the change. In the Swatches panel, you'll see a list of colors and a few special swatches. The one we're focusing on is called Paper. Paper is unique in InDesign. It simulates the color of the actual paper or background your layout sits on. It's different from None, which indicates transparency, and different from Black or other inks, which represent colors that print. Adjusting paper updates how the white areas of your pages look on screen and affects any objects filled with paper. To change it, double-click the paper swatch. This opens the swatch options dialog. Here, you can set the exact color you want your background to appear. If you're designing for print, choose a CMYK color mode and use the sliders or numeric fields to dial in the color. For digital layouts, RGB is often more appropriate. Either way, make small adjustments and watch how the color shifts. Before you commit, turn on the Preview checkbox in the dialog. Preview lets you see the changes applied to your document in real time, so you can fine-tune without guesswork. If the color feels too strong, ease it back by reducing the values or shifting toward a lighter tint. If you need brand consistency, input precise numeric values rather than dragging sliders. Once you're happy with how it looks on the page, click OK to confirm. Your document's background appearance is now updated via the paper swatch. A quick note for clarity, the paper swatch does not lay down ink. It simulates the background and affects any object that uses paper as its fill, which is perfect for previewing how a layout might look on a tinted stock or with a different background tone. That's it. You opened InDesign, navigated to Window Color and Swatches, double-clicked Paper, adjusted the color, used Preview to evaluate, and clicked OK to finalize. Save your document, and you're ready to continue designing with a background that suits your project.